how to change your home screen wallpaper on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change your home screen wallpaper on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to change your home screen wallpaper and keep the lock screen wallpaper the same, or maybe you want to change both in a nutshell and keep it as a pair depending on what you want, swipe down your lock screen and then just long press on the notifications panel or on the lock screen. Now if you want to set it as pair, you would be able to actually see the customize option and both of them are actually set as a pair. But if you want to set the home screen one different, just tap the plus icon from the bottom of the screen here, and then from here you can just go ahead and select a certain photo that you would like to change it to. So you can just go ahead and then also make sure to tap the photos icon from the top to select a photo from your gallery and then set that particular photo only as a home screen and not your lock screen. And once you've done that, you should be able to add it, and once added it, you can just tap on customize home screen and only set it to your home screen wallpaper. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then actually basically change your home screen wallpaper on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.